Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. Some of these were puzzling, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Did you know that jujube fruits offer a range of health benefits? Jujube fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Jujube fruits also contain antioxidants which can help protect your cells from harm. In addition, jujube fruits have anti-inflammatory properties which can help to cut down inflammation in the body. Playing dominoes can have some benefits for your health. The puzzle aspect of the game can help improve your problem-solving skills, and the act of physically placing the dominoes can be a good way to get some light exercise. Additionally, because dominoes is a social game, it can be a wonderful way to meet new people and stay connected with friends and family. All of which are important for maintaining good mental and physical health. Cucumbers are not only refreshing and hydrating, but they also offer a host of health benefits. Cucumbers are a great source of vitamins and minerals. They are especially high in vitamin K, which is important for bone health, and vitamin C, which is important for immunity. Cucumbers are low in calories and fat, making them a great food for weight loss or maintenance. Cucumbers are beneficial to your health and well-being, so include them in your diet. There are many health benefits associated with snorkeling. Snorkeling uses all of the major muscle groups, including the legs, arms, core, and back. This makes it an excellent exercise for overall muscle strength and tone. Swimming against the resistance of the water can help to build muscle strength. This is especially true if you use swim fins while snorkeling. If you are looking for a new activity to try, consider snorkeling.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.